Charles Darwin, a famous scientist, was born on February 12, 1809. He is known for creating the theory of evolution, which heavily impacted the field of biology. The theory of evolution states that any and all species will evolve as time progresses to adapt to their environments. This theory was formed through extensive research on birds called finches, which live on the Galapagos Islands. These birds are closely related as they share ancestors but have many differences as they are spread out to different islands in the Galapagos area. These differences include smaller beaks for some birds, as their diet is mostly based on seeds, and smaller wings for others, so they can glide in easier on prey such as worms and other small insects. To give you more information, here's a video.
It's observed that the birds were all similar to a single type of finch found on mainland South America, suggesting that these mainland finches had originally colonized the island. However, the Galapagos finches were all slightly different from the original mainland species, and they were also different from each other. The finches on each island showed distinct variations in their overall size, beak shape, and claw size. These differences were attributed to the differing food sources available on the various islands of the Galapagos. Some of the birds had long, thin beaks and sharp claws suited to catching and eating insects, while others had large, powerful beaks suitable for cracking open nuts. Because of the distances between the islands, breeding between different species of finch was unlikely, and Darwin concluded that the finches must have evolved over time from the original mainland species to suit the conditions found on each individual island. In all, 13 of the birds brought back by Darwin were identified as being entirely new species.
After finishing the theory of evolution, he wanted to keep on traveling the vast oceans. As he was traveling the vast oceans, he had another breakthrough on a theory that was known as a theory of free formation. In this theory, he stated that the various types of coral reefs and atolls could be explained by uplift and subsidence of vast areas of the Earth's crust under the oceans. This helped us learn about the formation of coral reefs and gave us a deeper understanding of the ocean's crust. After these two major accomplishments in science, he retired and started to write books about plants and animals, as it made him feel closer to his mother. Most of these books were written on evolution of plants and animals. He then died on April 19, 1882, at the age of 73 due to his heart failing. Although Charles Darwin died, his work carries on and creates some of the fundamentals of biology. Biology. Some fun facts about Charles Darwin is that he was seasick but lived on a ship for 5 years. He married his cousin and had 10 children. He was a co-writer to the theory of evolution, even though most people believe that he wrote it on his own. He dropped out of medical school against his father's wishes to go on the Beagle, and his mother died when he was only 6 years old due to a stomach cancer.